In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a taillight on a Dodge Ram pickup truck located in the rear tailgate. So to access the taillights, you're going to want to drop your tailgate, let it rest down, and then there's two mounting screws. So the mounting screws are located inside right here, and they're a T25. So with a Torx bit, that's the star. I'm going to take these off, back them out. Now if you look at the replacement lamp, you'll see there's two push screws right here. So these are with the mounting screws right there, and so this is going to push into that fender. So we're going to grab kind of firmly and pull it out. There we go, hear that little pop. And then there's the mounting screws I just showed you. Here are our bulbs. I'm going to twist and pull out. Do the same to the top. I'm going to look at those before I put them in. I can tell you that this one has a bad filament. It is no good. So to replace that bulb, I'm just going to twist and pull out. And I can get the number right there, 3157. I'm going to get a replacement bulb before I put that together. Check my other one. Looks good. So I have my replacement bulb, 3157. I'm going to snap it in. So before I put the bulb sockets in and put my light in, I'm going to set my new lamp up for installation. I'm going to remove this plastic little cover. Keeps moisture, that's all it is for shipping. You want to get that right out of there. It's a little seal. There we go. Set that aside. Do the same to this one. And then we have a little cushion seal that I'm going to put right here so it rides right here on the inside of that tailgate. So I'm going to peel a little bit of the sticky tape back. Just a little bit like that, so that I can start it right at the furthest point, hold it down, and then install it as it goes up. All right. Now with a rag, I'm going to wipe away any dirt. Stop that from rubbing anymore on the paint. Take my lamps and put them in the socket holders. You'll see that there's a fat groove and two small grooves, so there's the bigger and the two small. Line those up and then twist it clockwise. It's the same for both. This has a two prong. You'll feel it fall into place like that, and clockwise. Now we're going to line these prongs right here up with that mounting hole. Top and bottom. Grab your mounting screws on the inside. You'll feel it start right on that clip. Give it a little push if you need to. That's that T25. Now there is no Torx, it's just right till you feel it stop. And you'll see it actually pulls it in. Perfect. Now we're going to do the same to the other side. Okay, both taillights are installed. Now let's go step on the brakes and check the lights out. Brake. All good. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.